Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to download from your Google Drive, and let's dive right in. Now to download something or some files from your Google Drive, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in drive.google.com like this and just enter, and after that you will be redirected to the page, or if you have not yet logged in your Drive account, you'll be redirected to the login page of your Google account. First, you will be required to log into your Google account associated with your Drive, and after you log in, you'll be able to see the page, which is the Drive of Google. And now to download your files from your Google Drive. Before we proceed, guys, do make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if this method successfully solves your confusion. And now to download your files or your folders from the Google Drive, you can see this is a folder and this is a file. You can right click on the targeted thing which you want to download, and you can see after that there is the download button available. Click on download, the download will start, and you can see it's zipping and it's preparing the download. Same with the video, right click over there and you can see the download. Click over there and you can see, guys, the effect has been downloaded on my computer. And then, guys, this is how you download files from your Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.